name's Chip Paulsen with Rhino Tool House. This is your 2-minute drill where we bring you industrial innovations in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm excited to bring you a product by Desoutter, which is called the BLRT. Desoutter's been in the industrial assembly world for a long time, over 100 years. This time they knocked it out of the park with this tool. This is a discontinuous drive, one-handed tool. It comes in 2 models, 25 Newton meters or 45 Newton meters. The one I'm holding here is a 45 Newton meter tool. And the benefit is, when I run it down, I'm not going to feel any of that torque reaction. This is a pulsing motor, but no hydraulic fluid, so very low maintenance, which is great. And I get the results back to the operator so the operator can see it every time. This runs on a couple different platforms. It'll run on the Connect. The Connect is what they call their industrial hub. This can do up to 20 different tools at once. It can also run on their CVI3 platform, which can do 4 cordless tools and 1 corded tool. So there's a lot of great options. If you'd like to see this tool out on your assembly floor, out in your plant, give me a call. We'd love to come out and show you, do a lunch and learn, take it out. Your operators are going to absolutely love it. So thanks for taking the time. Again, my name is Chip Paulsen with Rhino Tool House. Thanks for attending.